past decade, there's been a massive rise in gun-related deaths in Arizona children. It's up 171%, according to the Arizona Child Fatality Review Team's latest report. And among teenagers ages 15 to 17, it's the leading cause of death.
This is not because of population growth. You see 171% increase. That's a rate increase. That means it's adjusted to the population. So this is a real increase.
Will Humble has 35 years of experience in public health and currently serves as the executive director of the Arizona Public Health Association. New data show that last year, 68 children in our state died because of a firearm, an increase of more than 13% compared to 2022.
These are deaths in two buckets, suicide and homicide. But if you look at the common thread for both homicides and suicides, it's the easy access to loaded firearms.
Humble says the reason this troubling trend continues to get worse comes down to policy. He believes Arizona needs new laws that make it harder for children to access firearms and that require safe storage of guns.
States that have child access prevention laws have lower rates of that. And why is that? It's because parents who have firearms know that they will be civilly and criminally liable if something happens with that firearm because they didn't secure it.
But kids aren't just dying from guns. Substance use was involved in 1 out of every 5 child deaths in our state last year. However, we did see a slight decrease in opiate overdoses. In 2023, 27 Arizona children died from fentanyl poisoning, which is 7 fewer than the year before.
Kids are becoming more aware that any pill is a risk. The availability of Narcan and the fact that you can just buy it at a pharmacy now without a prescription is also helpful.
Humble says the difference in child deaths connected to guns and drugs goes back to willingness to regulate.
There's this fundamental thing, something about firearms where people believe that they can be able to do whatever the hell they want with their firearm. And that that's not the same as fentanyl. People don't see fentanyl as a threat to the Second Amendment.
Public health experts are clear when it comes to prevention of gun deaths in children. They say the most effective thing to do is remove all guns in all homes where children live. Back to you.
Yeah, the availability of Narcan certainly a bright spot in all of that. Micaela, thank you.